Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. By default, Excel prints the entire active worksheet when you trigger the print command. However, if you only need to print a specific portion of the sheet, you'll need to define a print area. In this video, I will guide you through the steps of setting up a print area in Excel, allowing you to precisely control the content that is printed. Let's go. To define a specific print area in Excel, start by selecting the range of cells you want to print. Then, navigate to the Page Layout tab in the ribbon and click on Print Area, followed by Set Print Area. This will designate the selected cells as the print range, so that when you print the document, only the specified area will be included. It's important to note that the defined print area will be saved along with the workbook. If you want to add another print area to your Excel worksheet, simply select the desired range of cells again, and go to the Page Layout tab. Click on Print Area, and this time choose Add to Print Area. This will add the new selection to the existing print area. Keep in mind that each defined print area will print on a separate page. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.